Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Lex. Today I have a quick tutorial video for you for Mazda 3 key fobs from 2010 to 2013 models, the ones that flip out like this. You are going to need a CR1620 1620 3-volt battery. I just got a 4-pack on Amazon for under 10 bucks, which was a better deal than Batteries Plus Bulbs wanted to sell one for $10. And you'll need a flathead screwdriver or some other tool that works for you. So first off, you're going to want to open it up and locate on the inside where the tabs are. So it looks like there's 2 tabs right here. You're going to want to find the one that's closer to the base or the button portion and go ahead and open that up. I'm going to flip it so it's easier for me. You're going to want to push toward the side with the key sticking out. And then you can just slide it out. Go ahead and set that part aside because the battery is in this portion here. So this is the trickiest part for me. You can see where I have opened this before. This is where I take the flathead screwdriver up into this very top tab where the triangle is pointing to. And I just go ahead and stick it in there. If you have one that's smaller than me, that's probably better. This one's a little big. And once you get in there well, twist it clockwise or counterclockwise, and then it opens up. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. Use your tool to open it a little bit more. There we go. And there you have it. Battery is right there. All you gotta do is now swap it. I have to use my smaller tool for this. There we go. Oops. So there's the old one, CR1620. This little guy came off. All you gotta do is just slide it back in. Place your new one in there, positive side down. The positive side has the plus sign and typically all the writing on it. Make sure it snaps into place and go ahead and reassemble it. And there you have it. You are replaced and all set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.